subject. Unit number 5, absorption, adsorption and ion exchange. Okay, gas absorption છે એ mass transfer one subject છે, chapter છે. This is the adsorption and ion exchange. This is the most important chapter in the GTO exam and more fundamental basic concept. Okay, so first of all આપણે જોઈશું introduction part and then some definitions, industrial applications, types of adsorption, nature of adsorption જોઈશું, commonly used for adsorption. Okay, the first of all the discussion part is there in a continuing part for a single gases and vapors also, effect of temperature and adsorption. Okay, finally જે equations આવશે એના બેસિસ પર જોઈશું આપણે સિંગલ સ્ટેજ અને ડબલ સ્ટેજ માટે, મલ્ટી કોમ્પોનન્ટ સિસ્ટમ માટે. The first of all the introduction part, the adsorption operation or exploit the ability of the certain solids preferentially to concentrate specific substance from a solution onto their surface માટે. હવે સિમ્પલી એડઝોર્પ્શન અને એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન. એડઝોર્પ્શનમાં શું છે, જે સરફેસની ઉપરની સપાટી છે એના બેઝિસ પરથી એ સબસ્ટન્સ છે એ દૂર જશે, પણ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શનમાં શું અંદર શોષાઈ જાય. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી રિફ્લેક્ટિવિટી કહીએ જ નહીં આપણે એને એક પ્રમાણે શોષાઈ જવું અને સરફેસ પર રહેવું. હવે અહીંયા તમને કીધું છે કે સિમ્પલી ઇઝ ઓનલી અ સરફેસ પાર્ટ, ધીસ વન. Again repeated, the adsorption operation exploit the ability of certain solid preferentially to concentrate specific substances from a solution onto their surfaces. Okay, in these manners, the component of either gaseous or liquid solution can be separated from each other. એ અલગ અલગ સેપરેટ થઈ જશે. Simply, in these manners, the component of the either gaseous or a liquid solution can be separated from each other. Few examples will be indicated. The general nature of these separation possibilities and the same time demonstrate the great variety of the particles and applications. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી જે એપ્લિકેશન્સ આપી છે જે જોવાના છે આપણે, this one. Okay, in the field of a gaseous separation, adsorption is used to dehumidify air and other gases also, to remove objectionable odors and impurities from industrial gases such as carbon dioxide, to recover valuable solvents and also vapors from the dilute mixture with air and other gases, and the fractionable mixtures of the hydrocarbon gases containing, and such substance is methane, ethylene, ethane, propylene and propane. These are all substances part for a adsorption. Okay. Again repeated, simply what is the adsorption? The adsorption operations exploit the ability of certain solid preferentially to concentrate specific substances from the solution onto their surfaces is called as the adsorption. Simply એ તમને એક ફિગર દ્વારા બતાવું છું. સિમ્પલી ધીસ ઇઝ અ સબસ્ટન્સ ક્યુબ. ઓકે, હવે કોઈ બી સબસ્ટન્સને આપણે એને સરફેસ પર નાખીએ છીએ અને એ સરફેસ અહીંયાથી નીચેના ભાગમાં આવે છે, પણ જે સબસ્ટન્સ અંદર શોષાઈ જાય છે કમ્પ્લીટલી, ઇઝ ધ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન અને ધીસ ઇઝ ધ એડઝોર્પ્શન. ઓકે, એટલે કહેવાય છે ધ એડઝોર્પ્શન ઓપરેશન્સ એક્સપ્લોઇટ ધ એબિલિટી ઓફ સર્ટેન solid preferentially to concentrate specific substances from a solution onto their surface. In these manners, the component of either gaseous or liquid solutions can be separated from each other. A few examples will indicate the general natures of the separation possibilities and the same time demonstrate the great variety of practical applications. In the field of the gaseous separation, adsorption is used to dehumidify air and other gases માટે, to remove objectionable odor and impurities from the industrial plant, gases such as carbon dioxide and CO2, to recover valuable solvent and vapors, okay, from dilute mixture with air and other gases, and to fractionate mixtures of hydrocarbon gases containing such substances as methane, ethylene, ethane, the propylene and propane. The typically liquid separation include the removal of moisture dissolved in a gasoline, decolorizations also of a petroleum product and aqueous sugar solutions, removal of objectionable taste and odor from water, and the fractionations of mixtures or aromatic and paraffinic hydrocarbon also. The scale of any operations range from the use of a few grams of adsorbent in the laboratory to industrial plant with the adsorbent inventory for exhausting the 135,000 kg. જે few adsorption માટે આપણને કીધું છે. Okay, in this chapter first of all the starting part છે આપણે adsorption and ion exchange. એમાં first of all જોયું આપણે definition part અને industrially applications of adsorption. Okay, and the second જોઈશું આપણે types of adsorptions, જેમાં છે chemical adsorptions અને physical adsorptions ના two types છે. થર્ડ વન જોઈશું આપણે nature of adsorbents, then commonly used adsorbents, જેમાં અલગ અલગ સિમ્પલી જે સબસ્ટન્સ છે એમાં આપણે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું, બરાબર. દેન commonly used adsorption equilibrium phases for a hysteresis curve, for adsorption અને absorptionના ફિગર સહિત તમને દર્શાવવામાં આવશે, જે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ આપણે જોઈશું. Then effect of temperature and on adsorption and heat of adsorption. Okay, એ ડિટેલ્સમાં આપણે જોવાનું રહેશે. Then adsorption from liquid, from dilute solution also. This is the most important the Freundlich equations, જે આપણે ઇક્વેશન્સના બેઝ પરથી સિંગલ સ્ટેજ અને ડબલ સ્ટેજ ધેન મલ્ટી સ્ટેજના એપ્લિકેશન્સના બેઝ પર આપણે ડિરાઈવ કરીશું ઇક્વેશન્સને, જે અલગ અલગ સ્ટેજ વાઇઝ હશે. Then material balance for Freundlich equations for single stage and multi stage cross current operation માટે. And the Huygens contactor, pressure swing adsorber, ion exchange ના ઇક્વેશન્સ થઈ જોઈશું, એના પ્રિન્સિપલ કયા છે, એપ્લિકેશન્સ કઈ છે, ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમના રેટ ઓફ આયન એક્સચેન્જ કયા છે. ઇઝ ધ મેઇન ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ફોર ધીસ adsorption of ion exchanges. Okay, then again continue part. For these operation are all similar in that the mixtures to be separated is brought into the contact with another insoluble phase. Again repeated, read this sentence. This one, these operation are all similar in that the mixture to be separated is brought into contact with another insoluble phases. ઓકે, જે કોઈ બી ઓપરેશન્સ માટે આપણે સિમિલર કન્ટેન્ટ યુઝ કરીએ છીએ એ સેપરેટેડ બી થાય છે, પણ એના દ્વારા આપણે અનધર ઇન્સોલ્યુબલ ફેઝ બી લઈ શકાય. જે રીતે લિક્વિડ અને ગેસના બે ફેઝીસ આવે છે, આપણે ફિલ્મ થિયરીમાં જોઈ ગયા. ઓકે, પેનેટ્રેશન થિયરીમાં જોયું કે જે બબલ્સ હોય એની અંદર ગેસ હોવી હોય છે, પછી એના લિક્વિડની ડેપ્થ બી જોવામાં આવે. The adsorbent solid and the unequal distribution of the original constitute between the adsorbed phase on the solid surface and the bulk of the fluid, then the permits a separation or to be made, and all the technique previously found valuable in the contact of insoluble fluids are useful in adsorption. Thus we have batch wise single stage and continuous multi stage separation and the separation analogies to counter current absorption, and also stripping section part in the field of the gas liquid contact, and to rectification section part of the extraction with the use of refluxes in a addition. ओके आज तो पार्ट एक वक्त तुम्हें कम्प्लीटली रिविजन करना हो कम्प्लीटली रीड इन दिस सेशन repeated for this operation of all similar content. Continue. Then this operation are the all similar content in this mixture to be separated throughout the contact of another insoluble phases. The adsorbent solid and the unequal distribution part of the original constitute between the adsorb the phase on the solid surface and the bulk of the fluid, then the permits a separation to be made by all the techniques previously found valuable in the contact of insoluble fluids are useful in adsorption. Thus we have batch-wise and single stage and a continuous multi-stage separation, and the separation analogies to counter current absorption and a stripping section part in the field of gas liquid contact, and rectification section and extraction part for with the use of reflux. In addition, the rigidity and immobility of the bed of the solid part in a continuous section is there. Adsorbent particle make possibilities use of applications and a semi-continuous method which are not at all the practicable when the two fluids are contacting. Another solid liquid operations of the great importance is ion exchanges and the reversible exchanges of ion between the certain solid and electrolyte solutions, which is the permit for any separation processes. Okay, for these processes, for again repeated another solid operations માટે જોયો a great importance in ion exchanges. Okay, for us which one adsorbent particles make possibilities of useful applications of a semi-continuous method which are not at all participle when two fluids are connected. And another solid liquid operations of great importance is ion exchange, the reversible exchange of ion between the certain solid and an electrolyte solution, which permits the separation and fractionations of electrolytic solute. It is of the coarse chemical in nature but involves not only the interactions part of the ions with the solid but also diffusions of any ion exchanges within the solid phase, although the phenomena may be more complex than the adsorption. The general technique and the use of the obtain a very similar the special features for a ion exchange માટે જોઈએ તો are considered separately at the end of this chapter for a ion exchange for a adsorption part. Okay, so next lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું types of adsorption, then also nature of adsorbents, then singles, gases and vapors, ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ઇઝ ધેર ફોર અ ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમ હિસ્ટેરિસિસ માટે જોઈશું. આ જે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.